What's up YouTube? Welcome to the next DIY video. In this episode I want to show you how to fix your trunk if it's stuck in a low position that you cannot get access to your trunk. It's very low, it's not comfortable for you, so it's really easy fix. You don't have to replace the struts or anything like that. So what you need to do, if it's stuck like that and is not comfortable for me, so just push it up gently to the height that you like and press and hold for 5 seconds this button. And now you can close and open, no problem. There you go. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like, subscribe, and I'll see you in next episode.